What's going on, Tube You? Welcome to Fishing the Withalacoochee River with Jonathan, aka Bubba. Welcome to the channel, brother.
I'm gonna get them all right now.
So yeah, man, he brought us back here. I'm gonna show you the way we came in after we get where we going. Take this little journey with us through the middle of nowhere, where there's lions, tigers, and bears. Oh my. Boy say he got his snake boots on. Chunky. You know, if I'd have had, I could have got my partner John, but we could have showed it slid in. Well, nah, it'd been hard to get it out.
Nah, it wouldn't be hard.
Cause it's real light too. Got a motor on there. All right, where we want to go, man?
Go this way down here, follow it around.
Yeah. Find some good, yeah. Have you ever ran into some snakes down here? I mean, I know they're there.
Yeah, but they pretty much haul out.
By the time you even get up on them. I be going back there to Dobbs Hole and stuff.
Yeah, that's where I go.
Fuck around, walk up here and it'd be a big ass gator. Told you. Oh, that was you?
Yeah, that's me.
Oh, so you see, I stayed back like, hold up now, nigga. Here, let's try this out real quick. We got some lay downs. I should have tied on a jig. Ooh, I didn't know. I thought about it. We'll get it together. Do a little Ned rig, a little spinner bait, and then this chatterbait. See, I already know the mudfish, man. They be turning this chatterbait stuff up, boy. Try that first. It's one of my easiest little. Ooh, show some over there. I think it's a mudfish. Ooh, he got it. Oh, ooh. Oh my God, bro, it's a bass. He chasing it. He had the tail. I swear to God, no crap. Watch this. Look at him. Ooh.
It should get interesting out here.
I just hope it wasn't no mudfish. Oh, he took the tail. So far, 2 bites. Took my tail off. Ooh. Yeah, man, did you see that? Oh my God. I wonder what that is. They sure biting at it though, ain't they? Got him. Ooh, he let it go again, bro. got him that time. Oh, Lord Jesus. I don't know how he is not taking this thing all the way. Oh, I think this thing is bent. Is it bent? So let's try this. Because they show biting on. Let's see what we can do here. Oh my God. Got the tail again, bro. Got the tail again. If I'd have had that other hook on the end of that. Boy, this be perfect for a little bit. Perfect. Whoa, shit. Perfect for snakes over in this motherfucker. I thought I heard something hissing at me. Look at that though, that's cool though.
Work on these rocks over there, or how you gonna do it?
Oh shit, there was a spider on me. God damn. Sure was. Works for me. Works for me. Got one. Ooh. This is a mudfish, yeah. Mudfish, man. Oh man, that's the only bad thing, boy. Like early too, we'd be right on something. But do I want to do it? Is what This how you do it?
Yeah, I seen that trick.
Trick shot. We ain't losing no baits today, damn it. I just said that too, didn't I? One thing about the river is you lose some baits out here. I just said that shit. God dang. Mudfish, I guarantee you. Yeah, true. I'm actually straight right here for a second though, man, because it's like the most open spot. We got the better chance of actually, you know what I'm saying? It's kind of cool right here. See all these dang fish jumping around, you know they gonna bite something. Oh, look, I hit the rock. Let's see. It'd be a good fight too, catching something way out there. Uh-oh. I don't know. He off. I thought he bit it though. I sure got a hit. On the way down, I let it sink this time instead of reeling right away. What you got? Yep. You got you some pliers? Oh, okay. Well, one fish down. And it's a ugly one. Have fun. Got one. Mm-hmm. Ooh, he's going right over up by trees. Bass. Big bass. Big bass. Got him. Too bad we ain't got no bucket. He showed a nice one.
Got a stringer.
Oh, you do?
Yep.
Look at that. Right on, thanks, bro. Ooh, he feel like he about 2.5. And he look nice. He ain't all black like the rest of them be.
Yeah.
Nice bass. At the Withalacoochee. I am king. Oh. Yeah, he be some. I told you they wasn't getting off them double hooks, boy.
Here you go.
Alright.
Tie him up somewhere close.
Yeah, let's put him down here. Yeah. Mudfish. Yep. Mudfish. Stinking. Wanking. Next spot. Somebody left their flip flops. Look where the rain. You see where the rain, the water came all the way up past her? Man. Oh yeah.
Yeah, you drive a truck all the way to right here.
Ooh, you see something came after that? I don't know if he went away from it or what. Ooh. It bumped it. It showed. Big ass mudfish. Damn. Well, he broke the. He did the wire. The goddamn line. Well, they turn that little bait up, ain't they?
Yeah, they are.
Oh my God. Oh my God. This was the biggest damn bass. I thought it was a mudfish. It creeped up on me and I seen the black shadow. It scared me. I thought it was a goddamn alligator. Ooh. Did you see that? You seen that, right? He started walking off with my bait.
Where the hell did you hit that?
Man, he was just, I was bouncing this up and
He came through?
and he just came creeping up. I was like, oh.
Hey, look how high the water got. That bitch put that big ass log is hanging from the tree.
Dang. It was so big, it scared me. I started backing up like this because I thought it might have been an alligator, bro.
Damn.
I think it might have been a mudfish, though. Ooh. Oh, he hit it. And I didn't set the hook. Ooh, got him again. Got him again. Ooh. Had him again. He on one of those sides. Ooh, I got him. Ooh, I had him, bro. Trying to see if I can see him. Oh, I had him.
That's a baby one.
It's a little bitty bass, yeah.
We need to get him.
Oh my God. Oh my fudging nosy. Oh, there you go. There you go. There you go. There you go. You going up to the deep part. Oh my God. Oh shit. Holy shit. You didn't see that?
Nah, I was picking my ball.
Oh my God. Hey man, that thing was huge. It was bigger than the fish we got. Man, where did he go? Coming. Oh, here he go. Here he go. Here he go. Here he is, bro. Yes, he did. Oh my God, he did. I don't know where he went, bro. Oh. You seen it, right?
He's trying to get you.
You seen it. You did see that, right? He took my line and took off, bro. Please let me get that other fish, man. That fish was so much bigger, bro. I'll be ready to go home. I catch that fish. I'm bullshitting, man. Where is that motherfucker? Go. Bro, where is he?